Alright, well, Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart can now let out a big sigh of relief. Thanks to Jason Aldean and Brittany Kerr. Now their cheating scandal is old news and out of the limelight. At least for now. Jason Aldean was caught getting a little too cozy with former American Idol contestant Brittany Kerr at a bar and fessed up to the drunken mistake via Facebook Sunday night, saying, "The truth is that I screwed up. I had too much to drink, let the party get out of hand, and acted inappropriately at a bar. I left alone, caught the bus to our next show, and that's the end of the story. I'm not perfect, and I'm sorry for disappointing you guys. I really appreciate being able to work through this privately with my family." Now, by family, he means wife of 11 years and 2 children. Ouch. But Aldean isn't the only one getting heat. Brittany Kerr was bombarded on Twitter with Aldean fans calling her every name in the book, which led to her deleting her account altogether. Kerr also released an apology saying that the actions she portrayed were not a representation of her character and it was a lapse in her judgment. Friends close to Kerr, though, told TMZ that she had no idea Aldean was even married. So what do you guys think? Should Aldean fans take it easy, or are they justified in blaming her and calling her a homewrecker? That's all for now. Keep checking back for more news throughout the day.